Martins, this is my story.
Yun yung lalaki nandun, oh.
Yeah, he's so dark.
Parang hindi siya naliligo, diba?
Yeah, girl. He's so different from us. Look at us.
I mean, look at him.
Yeah, he's so lonely.
Such a loser, right?
Yeah. Kulot. Kulot. Yeah, and you have this straight hair. Then, Kim? So different. No friends.
That's embarrassing.
Alone. Ill. Loser. Yeah, guys, right? Hoy! Ano ginagawa mo, ha?
Kaya mo ba?
Pwede ba? Malis naman dito. Hindi naman ako natulog. Malis ka! Malis ka!
Pangit. Pangit.
Habo, pangit!
It's okay. Don't mind them, okay?
Hoy! Ang ginagawa mo dito?
Hindi ka naman dito, Bilong.
Pwede bang lumipat ka na lang ng school? Nakakapadit kasi yung mukha mo.
Nakakawala ng gana pumasok.
Dahil sa iyo.
Uy, anong ginagawa mo?
Okay, alam mo.
Pero?
Okay, alam.
Malis na kayo. Back off, bag.
Ano ba?
Yan na.
Yan.
Pangit-pangit. Yes. Mga cheap.
Mga losers kasi kayo.
They're just jealous. Because you're cool.
Hindi kami nag-explain.
Come on. Go.
Malis. Malis kayo. Di kayo pangit dito. Ang pangit. Yak. Nakakadili. Alis!
Sometimes it's hard, but I understand what you're saying, but I need to know.
No, but you have to remember, the words are empty. They mean nothing. And remember, what she said is that there were like
Thank you for helping me, translating, and finding me.
Yeah, that's what friends are for now. Who wants to play games?
let's go!
I had 5 friends who lifted me up. They were my translators, my defenders, and my family here. So to anyone feeling alone, just look around your friends there.
Ay, ganun lang po lang. Photo mo.
Minsan ay hindi mo na alam ang nangyayari, kahit na anong gawin, lahat ng bagay ay mayroong hanggan. Dahil ngayon ayaw ay iiwan ka kahapon. Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y